Welcome back to Cooking with Chef Brett. We're going to continue knife skills. We're going to show you how to dice celery today. I'm going to bring you down on a cutting board and we'll get to it.
All right, so remember when we're holding a knife, we're going to pinch it like that, our index finger and our thumb, wrap our three fingers around. Now this celery, I've already rinsed. You want to make sure you rinse your celery because you usually get this dirt down in the root part down there. Cut your celery into pieces that you can manage. And then we're going to make a couple of cuts here, depending on how big you want it. Like that. And then we're going to cut across like this. All right, I'll show you another one. This one we're going to go a little bit larger. See, I only made one cut down the middle there. And then I'm going to cut that far down to kind of almost go for a square. You'll get faster the more you do it. I can remember when I was first starting out, I saw this guy making potato salad, and he was cutting it like this. And it took me a while to get to that kind of speed. But you'll get there if you take your time. Just concentrate on where you're holding this left hand. It's almost like a little claw. You're kind of curled in. The knife glides down over the knuckles, but make sure you curl these in or you're going to lose a little bit of skin down there. And then just work on your cuts. Speed will come. This is the speed you maybe should be working with to start. And you might even need to just do one piece as you're learning. Remember, holding the blade here gives us a lot more control of the knife. Here, I'm flimsy. And one thing to remember when you're cutting, you should never be forcing and pressing in. It should be smooth. If you start having to force and press, that's when the knife can slip off and cut you. All right, come back next time and we'll do carrots. Moving up.